So what do we do with sounds in meditation? This is a question that comes up often, whether it's crying babies, rush hour traffic outside your window, whatever it may be in your neighborhood where you meditate. So what do we do with the sounds? It's a great question because sometimes sounds bother us. They can be a problem. Sometimes we also enjoy sounds, like listening to music, the pleasant patter of rain on the trees outside. So it's really an art of acceptance. When the sounds come, whatever they may be, that's our chance to let go and just be with it, to be with whatever it is. We don't need to think about it, we don't need to concentrate on it. It's just about letting go. The first time I did my main meditation course, my teacher told me that the secret to meditation is letting go. So the same thing applies to sounds too. The more we get distracted by them, the more opportunities you have to let go. And just be with whatever it is. Whether it's a baby, a dog barking, loud sounds of insects in the forest outside, if you live in a rural area, or the urban noise of a city. It's all a chance to let go and just settle into what is. On the contrary, if you find that you like listening to some sounds, it's still a practice of letting go. When we're listening to something actively, when we're engaged with the senses, with the environment outside, at that time the mind is not in its pure resting state. So even if the sounds are enjoyable, by letting go of that engagement with the environment, it gives the mind the chance to settle into an even deeper state of rest. And that's that really pure state of meditation that gives the most energy afterwards. And then afterwards, we can go back out into the scenery around us, engage with it fully, and enjoy those sounds, enjoy those sights. So, if sounds are bothering you, or if you're getting distracted by sounds, remember acceptance. Let's just accept whatever's going on outside, and then our meditation practice can go deeper.